In this video, I want to show you a bit of a demo of the software that we're going to be using, which is dominantly GoHighLevel and EchoSetter. If you haven't watched the video about the business model yet, make sure that you do so to make sure that this video makes sense to you. So just a bit of recap here. GoHighLevel is like a hotel, right? And this hotel gives you a reseller license to resell as many rooms as you want without any maintenance or cleaning fee. And this is not an actual hotel, but it's a software. So you have unlimited room inside this hotel. And your goal is to get business owner or client to rent out each and one of this room for a fee anywhere between $97 to $997 a month, right? Kind of like just a rent, and that will create us a recurring revenue. This is a very good business model because you have a fixed fee, which is $297 per month for GoHighLevel, and you have an unlimited earning potential. And that's not all, guys. Is that what I want to show you in this video is that I want to show you the ability to repackage GoHighLevel in a way, just like how hotel did it, is that they would have a bunch of services packaged together, such as tour, med spa, breakfast, and key card upgrade like this, and packaged together to squeeze more money from their client, right? And we can do exactly the same thing with GoHighLevel. So as you probably know, GoHighLevel is a CRM-based software, so it's really great for maintain and manage people contacts. So what we normally like to add on top of that in terms of our packaging with GoHighLevel is that we're using third-party tools such as UpHacks, which is very great for integrating Facebook and GoHighLevel. HR Pro tool, which is very great for customization, support, coding, and a bunch more useful function. And EchoSetter, which is the AI agent that can text, email, WhatsApp people. And then we have the Marketer Toolkit, which have a bunch of theme, customizer, funnel builder, survey, and all that stuff. I'll make sure to leave a link of all this tool somewhere around this video. So make sure that you check all of this tool out. So if you read Alex Hormozi's new money model book, is that by repackaging all of this model into one services, so number one is allow you to charge people a lot more because customer could pay you twice the price but 10x the value. And number two, it will also increase your LTV, lifetime value of each customer, because you will be able to actually squeeze every dollar and every penny from that deal. And number three, it's going to help you with retention, because the more people buy and the more service they have with you, the longer they're going to be staying in the service. And trust me, guys, every 8 to 9 figure business are doing this, not just the hotel, not just the software, right? So as you can see here, by adding more services, we're able to increase our price up to $997 to $1,997 per month by not doing any work extra. Now, the next model I want to show you is the rebuilding model. That is a bit different from the repackaging, but you can actually do this very easy with the SaaS model, software as a service, right? So if you think about it, when you go to a hotel, you have one of these essential services such as electricity, water, TV, internet, and cable, right? The hotel won't charge you, but when you run a software business, you can think of that as essential items such as sending email, sending text, making phone call, right? What we can do is we can put a 2x to 10x markup on those essential services and would make a very, very profitable passive income for your business, again with no extra work that you have to do. And remember, guys, these are essential services, so business owner gonna be keep using this every month without any question. So now let's just show you exactly what's happening inside the GoHighLevel software. This is what we call the agency view. Now what that means is that this is where you see things from the hotel perspective. With each sub account, you can see all of the room that are available, right? So this is a brand new account. It's going to have only a few rooms that I only just create here, and you can see the detail of the room and the tenant that is inside this room. But what I do want to show you is the reselling feature, which is exactly what I just mentioned. So GoHighLevel have its own products that you can resell, such as WordPress, WhatsApp, a bunch of IP rebuilding, ad manager, reselling, and it's very easy to use, guys. For example, if you want to sell WhatsApp here, HighLevel have a base price of $10 and you can charge your customer however you want. And you can see the calculation of your profit right here. So if you charge your customer $30 a month, that's around $20 profit by just doing nothing extra. Okay, same thing with WordPress. HighLevel will charge you $10 a month, and you can charge your client $15 and make a profit of $5 each month doing exactly nothing. Now, I know this is not much, but you can always increase the price or actually sell more of this reselling feature. We have AI employee, but we also have this pay as you go markup, which is more like SMS and email rebuilding. So pay as you go is that you want to put markup based on how many things people use each month. For example, in this workflow setting, which what we call a workflow pro, we'll put a 2.75 markup, which is around 3 times, and then your client would have a different tier to choose from, which is the starter tier, growth tier, and scale tier. And you just make, again, profit from doing exactly nothing else. And with HighLevel, you can go into SaaS configuration, and that will actually allow you to make different SaaS plans, such as the 97 to 497. You can adjust the price for each plan, the name for each plan, and customize what feature you will be allowed in those plans. Okay, hopefully you get the gist of how to make money using HighLevel. Although this is not a tutorial video, but we're going to have a full-on technicality video on how to set up GoHighLevel and EchoSetter, the AI software, in our Skool community. So make sure that you check that out. Now, what I really like about HighLevel is this is like a brand new account that we just signed up for, is that they have a step-by-step Launchpad. So firstly, you want to go through the foundation setup, which help you setting up the brand, the logo, the domain, the white label domain, the email, and the phone number setup, right? Very easy. You just have to follow the checklist. We have our own version of this setup inside our Skool community as well, right? Now, lastly, I also want to show you HighLevel as a fully set up software. So your client would see something like this when they log in. It would have your own theme color, your brand color. It would have your domain up top here, which is app.leaderstate.io. And then it would have your logo on top of it. And on top of it, you can see all of the reseller that we have in place. We have EchoSetter Assistant, which is our AI software. And we have Facebook Ad Launcher right here, right? So this is what HighLevel software look like to your client once it's fully set up. Again, check out all the tools that I use to make this happen in the link somewhere around this video. Now, I want to show you the next software that we use. It has the same function. So this is the hotel view. You can see all of the sub account that is in here. We have the rebuilding function. So you have to connect to Stripe for that, which we did. So the rebuilding function, again, allow you to put markup for each of the room or each of the sub account. So for example, if we go to this one, we click on the 3 dot and we click on manage rebuilding. You can rebuild people based on voice and knowledge base. You just have to turn that on, and you can charge people for phone number, and you can put whatever price here you want, right? You can put $15 for each phone number, and then we're going to be charging people $10 for using the voice knowledge base. Now, if you don't know what any of this means, we're going to go through all of this function in the Skool community step-by-step breakdown. So make sure that you don't skip those parts. And on top of that, you also can make a markup with the AI chat and the voice minutes. So the AI chat is when we're using a text-based chat such as SMS and WhatsApp. So we're going to be putting 1 cent per AI chat, and whatever base price that EchoSetter charges, those are our profits in terms of difference. And the next thing is the voice minute. Again, you can put the markup here to whatever you want. You can put 1 cent here, and then you have to click save change. Like, again, you don't have to do this. You can put everything into 0 and make no money on the markup and make money somewhere else, such as a subscription-based model, right? But again, you can do both. Why not, right? So the interface with EchoSetter is very similar to HighLevel. You can see all of the sub account and all of the room. And again, all of your client would have their card here, and they would have the wallet here. So every time they run out of credit, the system will charge their card, and then we will profit and pocket the rest of the difference in terms of the markup that we set in place. Okay. So now in terms of the sub account view, so this is what your clients see in EchoSetter. Like, again, think of this like the room, what people see inside the room, right? We have inbox, we have call center, center, so you don't have to do like reporting of the stat. You can see how many time the AI call, how many get picked up, how many spend, what's the average pickup rate, and what's the average call minutes. And you have contacts again. This will fully integrate to HighLevel, so everything will be like very well connected. And we have knowledge base, assistant, phone number, and all this fun stuff. Again, like this is not a tutorial video. We will have a step-by-step breakdown on how to set this up and integrate it into HighLevel inside our Skool community. So make sure that you check that out and don't skip any of the lesson, so the whole thing will make more sense. If you guys like this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and drop in the comment below if you have any other question, or make a Skool post. I'll make sure to reply to you one by one. Again, this is Rico Kang. Ciao.